Hello, I am in Spanish Fork, Utah, Amber Almond Hall, and I'm out here looking at some information for my clients. So they are looking at possibly building, and there's a new development coming up in Spanish Fork by Arrive Homes called Heritage Farms. So Heritage Farms is right next to Adventure Heights, which is a brand new all abilities park in Spanish Fork, and that's what you see behind me here. So I'll zoom in and show you guys here in just a second, but I wanted to just show you a little bit about the proximity, the location. It's a little bit windy out here, so there's a slight breeze, but it is a beautiful day. Let me turn it around here. There's a car coming in. Okay, so there we are. Adventure Heights, All Abilities Park. Over here in the distance is where the new Arrive Homes community is going to be. So you can see that, sorry, I'm trying to zoom it back out again. You can see that it's really, really close, literally just down across the street. So Arrive Homes is a great builder. They're one that I've worked with several times, and they have a good quality product. They have really great floor plans. And so I've got some clients who are looking at and interested in building with them in this location and neighborhood. So this is the new All Abilities Park. If you're familiar, there is a park similar to this down in St. George. We've been to it, my family has, and my kids love it. There is literally something to do for all ages and for all abilities. And so it's just a really, really great space. You can see that they've got several different playscape areas. They've got different levels of swings. They've got jungle gyms and climbing things over behind the gazebo. Way far behind there is a big kind of rock wall structure as well. And then just this huge in the foreground yard space, lawn and open area for picnicking and laying your blankets out. So it's just a really, really great place to come and bring your kids and be with your family and spend some time in the fresh outdoors. So if you're looking for something fun to do this weekend, I highly recommend venturing out a little bit. Come to Spanish Fork and explore this new All Abilities Park. And while you're here, you can just check across the street. They're still in development phase, but Arrive Homes is putting in an awesome brand new community. Remember, if you're thinking of building, you want to have your own agent. I've worked with a lot of builders and helped a lot of clients build their homes, so I know from start to finish exactly how to support and help my clients through all of the hurdles and selections and the entire process that goes along with building a home. Building a home is a really, really, really exciting time in life, and it should be exciting. And so I help take out the stress and worry of all the extra little things that come up in the process of building a home. So hope you guys are having a great day. Come check this out. If you have been or do come to this park, I would love for you to comment below and share some of your experiences that you had with you or with your families, and let us know what you think. Have a great day.